Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter this recovery mode that you can see right here on the ACER Predator. So I can simply tell you how to do that. You just need but before you do that, listen what I have to say till the end of this video, because there are gonna be some important things. But if you just don't care, you can simply shut down your laptop and then press on the power button, and immediately after releasing that button, start pressing and holding on Alt and F10 key. I can't guarantee if the right Alt will work for that, so I'd suggest using the left Alt. Although there are some important things that you need to know. This laptop has a TPM chip, which means that if you do some changes in the recovery mode, there is a chance that it may be locked with BitLocker key, and you can't really prevent that, but in order to unlock it later, you will need to simply have the recovery key, and to have the recovery key you need to have access to your Microsoft account logged in on this laptop and go to this website. It is aka.ms/myrecoverykey without spaces, and once you enter that website, you should simply enter your email and password. If it asks you that, then you'll see something like this. On the left side is the device name, then it's the key ID, which is pretty short. On the computer, it will be shown as a longer version, and what you need to do is just look at the first section of that key ID, and it should match the key ID on the table in the Microsoft website. And by the way, the list is not sorted by date, so you just need to find the right one, even if it's at the very bottom of the list. And then right next to that is the recovery key, which is quite long, and you will need to enter that if the problem appears. So now I'm in the recovery mode, and unfortunately it's in Polish, even though I have installed the English version of the system. So yeah, here are some things. You can continue to boot from Windows. You can turn off your computer. You can use another operating system if you have another version installed, or solve or troubleshoot your computer. That's what I'm gonna do. Then you can open some different stuff, and yeah, there are different things, I guess. I wanted to find something, but I don't think I will be able. Yeah, you can see I just don't really have like anything here, although I was expecting to find something here. But if you just try to do something, I don't know, maybe the like boot up repair or something else, then it may lock you with BitLocker. So that's how you now you know that if something happens, then you will be able to fix that simply. I go to the command prompt, then it goes straight in, but not always. So I hope that video was helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.